ना हम, थमे ना हम, बढ़ाते चले अपने कदम, रुके ना हम, थमे ना हम, बढ़ाते चले अपने
In a country that's made up of 6,38,596 villages and a financial system that's still trying to keep up with the times, every little help counts. Lending a hand of financial independence and support to every region it touches is a simple organization we call Fino Paytech. And today with Naya Daur, it is poised for the next spurt of growth and change. Naya Daur, Fino Paytech's employee communication initiative, strives to unite all employees to work towards the common goal of financial inclusion for each and every person across the globe.
Dear colleagues, our Naya Daur campaign revolves around two central themes. One is on teamwork and the second is approach towards business. On the first theme, we are looking at team building and the way we look at business. On the second central theme, we are looking at building our sales force and our customer centricity approach. I look forward to all your support in imbibing the Naya Daur campaign in your work life for the long-term sustainability of the business and Fino's path to glory. I wish you all the best as we move forward in the new campaign for our business and our approach towards business.
We service millions of customers on behalf of our client bank. Increasingly, consumer preferences are becoming important in the decision making of our mandate, and it is important for us that the consumers on our platform are happy and satisfied. Retail would mean that we change our outlook and put consumer first and foremost in all areas of operations of our company.
We can do that by identifying their needs, recommend solutions, deliver on the promises, and build strong relationships.
The new approach of our company is very innovative and exciting in terms of employees' engagement, as it helps to connect all level of employees and also helps to reduce intergroup conflicts.
Fino has always been characterized by its unique set of team members who all came from different backgrounds, worked in different functions because of their specializations at various locations. However, the cross-functional synergy has been excellent at all times and has enabled this team to always remain ahead in the market, to always create benchmarks for others to follow in this industry segment.
We have the Bandhus. Due to their presence and reach 24/7 on the field, we are not only able to touch but also transform the lives of our customers through financial service delivery. The Bandhus are the representative of the ethos, that is reality.
Field is the driver of Fino's business. For field team to work effectively on the ground, corporate teams provide continuous support to the field team.
We at Fino are committed to building a culture of transparency, which is based on meritocracy, clear lines of communication, and instilling a sense of confidence so that we have self-motivated employees who can take the company to the next level.
We as a group are working towards a common goal, which is driven by teamwork.
Customer is the king, but it has far greater and deeper dimensions than simply fulfilling customer requirements. It is an ideology that needs to be ingrained and entrenched in our daily processes so that it comes naturally in our dealing with customers and delighting them with every interaction we have.
While we've traveled quite a distance in terms of reaching out to the customers and adding value to them, there is still scope of improvement. If we can make sure each one of us do our daily activities religiously and rigorously, we can make far more difference to the customers.
In Fino, what we are observing is an exciting change. Our COO is expressing his views via digital medium.
The new approach shows that the organization cares for its human assets as well as values their contribution.
For me, commitment is not just a word, it's more about teamwork. Today, with a clear-cut vision of Fino, we are moving towards Team Fino. And I feel with committed teamwork, we can achieve broader organization goals. We have got a lot to do. And if not today, then when? And if not you, then who?
I believe that productivity is never an accident. It is always the result of a commitment to excellence, intelligent planning and focused effort. In last year, July 2013, when Cash Holiday was scheduled in AP district, incremental recons were shared by the field team. Our challenge was to complete the recons on time with 100% accuracy. I am happy to share that my team had stretched for a month and completed the recons on time and shared with bank and government.
For any organizations, especially companies like Fino, which is trying to be the world-class organizations, it is very important for all of us to be compliant with a lot of those processes which has been laid down to control the way organization works. In addition to this, because of the industry we are in and because of the work we do on behalf of our clients, there is a very high degree of risk we carry. And it is very, very important for all of us to maintain a very high degree of compliances in all our activities, in our respective roles, without any compromise on a day-to-day basis.
Compliance, as we all know, plays an integral role in success of any company. We here at Fino conduct regular audits on all our process to ensure that all our employees are in sync with the company's vision and mission. Also to add, Fino is PAS 99 certified, which adds immense value to our organization worldwide.
At my job role in Fino, I am empowered enough to take decisions so as to ensure that there is true accountability in decision making and also ensure that the outcome is positive enough to achieve the organization's goals via individual goals.
Within a team, we try to motivate the teammates by setting up an individual target at the beginning of the day and then try to discuss it within a team if anybody is facing any problem to achieve that target.
बूंद बूंद से सागर बनता है. To achieve big dreams, we have to start small, and we believe in starting small and taking baby steps and ensuring those steps are right, and then monitoring those steps at a defined interval to figure out where we can improve, and so that we can achieve our big results.
I would like to quote an example for this company which says that it thought big, started small and grew fast. We started with the lending business, moved to remittance and the newly added Fino Money Mart. Fino Money Mart gives a whole bunch of bouquet to our end customers, be it banking enrollment or to insurance. Everything is under one roof.
This is a journey that has just yet begun. With combined and ever-growing strength and passion of all those who drive Fino, millions of people have a more secure, much brighter future to look up to. And when these millions of people are secured in a humble but honest way, we can say that our nation is secured. Our happiness are in securing that future we dream of. This dream is the path we walk towards every day, and together we will.
One Fino, one team.
One Fino, one team.
One Fino, one team.
One Fino, one team.
We are one Fino, one team.
One Fino, one team.
One Fino, one team.
We are one Fino, one team.
One Fino, one team.
One Fino, one team.
We are one Fino, one team.
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 One Fino, one team. One Fino, one team.
One Fino, one team.
One Fino, one team.
One Fino, one team.
One Fino, one team.
One Fino, one team. Fino hai